I wonder what you would think if you were the guy that ran this shop and woke up to find this monstrosity in front of it one day, without any consultation or without anyone asking what you thought about it before it went up. Well, this is a 5G mast. Obviously, these are the electronics boxes that go with it, technical term there, and this is the mast overall, so that you'll recognize which ones I'm talking about. And aside from the potential health risks of 5G, I say potential because the World Health Organization says there is limited research into the effects of health by 5G masts, but by the by. But aside from all that, Ray Nicholson, who runs Nico Patties, which is this shop here in northwest London, realised one day that this mast was appearing without any consultation and without anyone asking his opinion and whether he objected to it. He says that since going up, his profits have halved, but he has a plan to turn it into some kind of outdoor terrace area with a parasol. But who knows whether the council is going to come back and complain about that. How ironic if they do. Not only that, since signing the contract for the shop, his rent has gone up, only for the amenity immediately outside of it to obviously go down. He's been quoted to say that when he got so frustrated, he called EE, who presumably are responsible for the mast, who gave him £250 to put a sign on the front of it. But apart from that, he's got no compensation at all. So in my opinion, and for what it's worth, I very often say that the law should make sense to everybody, for it to actually make good sense for everybody. But in this case, not consulting the shop owners and not seeing what they think doesn't make sense to me. And if that really is the case, then it should be looked at again, because I simply don't agree with it. Now, it's worth noting that these masts do not always require full planning permission. These masts generally fit into two areas, those that either need full planning permission or just require prior approval. But there is a fairly recent consultation and new legislation which strengthens the permitted development rights for such communication masts. And in the making of this video, I did check out the exact address in Harrow, and I did search the planning permissions database, and I couldn't find anything in relation to this particular mast. Maybe it was expanded upon prior approval from something that was already there. I'm not really sure. Maybe you think I'm overreacting and you'll let me know in the comments, but let me know what you think about this in the comments below, because personally I think this is quite bad and I feel bad for Ray and I hope things pick up for him. So as I say, let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.